Let's stake some trees. A few tools we'll use, the first one being the jigsaw and another one that I'll show you later in the video. Also some wire and tree tube ties.
Okay, we saw what the problem was with that plant that had a very skinny dowel inside of it to help hold it up. I'm going to put together a 1x2. Going to cut it at a sharp angle so that it can stick into the pot. And I have several different types of jigsaw blades there in my set. And here is the tool that I'll be using today. My variable speed jigsaw by Ryobi. And I picked up a sample of some of that bare paint that I'll be using for this. Sometimes you only need a little bit of paint, so why not just buy the sample? It's real cheap, and you can also find them on that discounted table, which is really nice. This one only costs 50 cents.
The first stake is for the dragonfruit plant. Before cutting the wood, I placed it on a stable setting, then made a quick 45-degree angle cut with the jigsaw. Then I hammered the stake, the angle, into the pot with the rubber mallet so not to split the stake. Well, it didn't take long for this plant to grow in just a couple of months. It was now time to build a frame outside the pot with 4 of the same wood and stake them in, and use the wire and tube ties to hold the plant up. Then I cut 2 2x2s to go across to attach to the stakes on each side. This framing provided a more stable setting for the plant to grow. It'll be pruned as needed so we can easily access the fruit. Well, look at here, our first dragon fruit flower blooms, and eventually the fruit will come. In Spanish, the dragon fruit is called the pitaya. So until a final planting spot is set in the yard, it will stay in this pot for now. This is the picture of the dragon fruit, and looking forward to our eventual harvest. Now to cut the stakes for the palm tree using the Ryobi battery-operated circular saw. These stakes will be cut at a tapered angle, so they'll have more of a point to help when hammering them with the mallet into the ground. Initially, I used shoestrings and shorter stakes. The shoestrings provided some forgiveness with the wind. Now that the tree has grown, it was time for these larger stakes and the proper wire and tube tree ties to guide its growth. Luckily, this tree didn't do so bad with the shoestrings, and it's actually pretty straight. And here we have it, the proper tree ties. I'm so looking forward to this queen palm's majestic stature and its lovely palm leaves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash like and hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.